Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, standing at Rustic Road number 5, which is just off of a very busy Milwaukee Avenue. I don't know anything about this road. I don't remember how long it is or really anything. So I don't know what to tell you other than I believe it's completely paved. There's no mileage sign here for us. So yeah, I guess we're just going to have to experience it completely and see what it's got. Now, as you guys may be aware, I've been doing these rustic roads during an 8-day motorcycle camping trip. If you want to see that trip, look for the video on it. It's in 4 different parts, and I've been having a blast on the trip. All right, so this road is 3.1 miles long, and that's all it's got. It's completely paved. That's all I needed to know. All right, 3.1 miles, and even though there is not a sign at the stop sign here, we are going to turn left. Oh, see, they got a Rustic Road 5 sign there. Personally, I'd rather have taken my picture there than by that gas station. Somebody's out for a little stroll. Got a lake view here. A little bar tavern there. Wow, another full numbered sign. Normally we just get the get an arrow stating, maybe go this way or something like that. You don't get the full Rustic Road sign and the number at the bottom of it. But again, this is one of the first ones. This is number 5. This program was started like back in the 70s. So I'm sure they've changed their methods over the years. Look at, here's another one. Wow. Nice little neighborhood. Speed limit's 35 through here. A statue of somebody there. I can't quite read the plaque on there to tell you who. Got a wonderful little park off here to our left. Let's see. I actually could not read that. I think it was Colonel Heg, H-E-G. I don't know. I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks or if all of a sudden I just couldn't read, because that did not look like English. Alright, speeding up to 45 now. I'll drop this down so maybe you guys can hear me better. Or maybe you'll hear me worse, I don't know. Now this road is a fairly straight road. There's not a whole lot of tight curves, 90-degree, 25-mile-an-hour curves in the road. Man alive, I got a beautiful day for this today, don't I? Look at this. Blue sky, no clouds at all. Sun shining nice and bright. Even the Canadian fire smoke is cleared out today. We've been getting a lot of that, but the winds have kind of changed direction, and we're not seeing too much of that smoky haze down here. Oh, this is an awesome little road. Some tar snakes in the road you see there, but not too bad. You know, it's not like you're riding through an area where it's pretty much one giant tar snake. I've seen roads like that. It's like, you know what, if you gotta cover your road like 90% of it with tar, maybe you need to just rework the road. Is this the end of our Rustic Road? I don't know. Let me pull up my map real quick and check, because I think this should be the end of it. I'm not seeing anything on the other side. Yeah, this is the end of it. So that was it, guys. That was the end of Rustic Road 5. Wow. The only bad thing about the shorter roads is that they're over just like that. It was a fine road. It really was. It was in pretty decent shape. It wasn't super bumpy and broken up. A lot of tar snakes like you see here, but nothing to really make you feel uncomfortable. And yeah, it was just a pleasurable road. It was basically just going through a neighborhood, really. A lot of houses to look at. Had that one little quick lake view, but short of that, that was all there was for sights. Well, this is Mark saying thank you so much for coming along on this ride. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the video. Thanks for ringing the notification bell, all that stuff. And always believe, heart, soul, mind, and body, in yourself, that you can go out for that ride, go out for that adventure, and try that new dish. Always believe you can do it. Bye, guys.